welcome back to my channel. I'm Julia. Today I'm back with another new recipe of mine, which is chicken tahari. I would start up quickly with the ingredients first. So out here I've already kept around 700 grams of rice soaked. This is 6 medium size of potato cut up, and I put salt and haldi in it already, turmeric powder. This is 8 green chilies cut, 2 big size tomatoes chopped big, around 10 grams of coriander, 3 big size of onions, 1 big cauliflower cut big size, and in this one big size of ginger, 3 mid size of garlic, 6 red chilies. I pasted it in a mixie, 1 tablespoon of bhuna masala, chicken masala 1 teaspoon, salt 1 tablespoon, haldi 1 teaspoon, and this is Kashmiri lal powder just for color, a little bit, and chicken 1 kg. First I would start off by putting some oil in a karai. I will fry the potatoes and then remove it. Let the oil heat. The oil is hot. Now I will add the potatoes into this. Let this fry on one side, then I will flip it. While this is frying, I will add all the entire masalas into the ginger garlic paste. Mix it. It's flipped over, frying on the other side. Potato is fried. Slowly I will remove it to a vessel. I have removed it into a bowl. Now into this I will even fry the cauliflower, just light brown, just a bit. Already fried. I'll remove it into a bowl. Now into this I will add some more oil, as I will start the curry first. Refined oil. Here this much oil I have added. Let it hot. After it's heated, then I will put the onions and green chilies into it. Now into this I will add the onions first, green chilies, let's mix this until it's light brown. Let it fry for a while. Now into this I will add the paste. A little bit of garam masala, a little cinnamon, clove, 2 bay leaves, 2 cardamom. We'll add it into this. Cook the masalas very well till the raw fragrance has lessened down, and cook the masalas on low flame. Now I will add the chicken to it, slowly. Mix it well. I will cover this for 5 minutes so that the masala will get into the chicken well. have opened it. As you can see, the masalas have got into the chicken really well. The oil has even come up. To this, I would add the chopped tomatoes. A little bit of coriander, not all. Let's mix this well. Now into this I would add the fried potatoes. I will cover it for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. I've opened it. Now into this I will put 1 small spoon of sugar. You can put sugar according to your choice. Now into this I will add the rice. I've taken Fortune daily rice. You can add any rice of your choice. I have soaked it for approximately 2 hours in water. I've strained it out and now I'll put it to the karai on top of the curry. Mix it all up together. Into this I will add the cauliflower which I had fried. Now into this I will add around half liter of hot water. You add the water according to the amount of rice. I have added around 700 grams of rice, so I have added half liter of water. So as you can see, I have even added the water and everything. Now I will cover this on low flame for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, but on low flame so that it doesn't get burnt underneath. So let's cover it. As you can see, the tahari is ready, friends. I've checked on the potato, cauliflower, everything. Nicely soft, ready. The water even was appropriate as I told you. Now I will let this rest for around 15 to 20 minutes on the table and serve it hot. So here friends, the delicious chicken tahari is ready. I would be having this with salad. You can even have it with raita or dhania saag chutney. It's lovely, it's tasting great. So for more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye. See you.